15 or 50. Do other people sometimes misunderstand you when you pronounce numbers like 15 or 50? Here is a pronunciation tip to stop this from happening. When counting, we usually pronounce the teen numbers with more emphasis on the first syllable: 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. However, if we are saying a number by itself, then 15 can sound similar to 50. We have to listen carefully to the word ending to tell them apart. To solve this problem, try putting more emphasis on teen. Listen to how easily you can distinguish these words: 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. How old are you? I am 30. She is 13. Native speakers naturally adjust our pronunciation in this way so others can understand us more easily. The next time you say one of these numbers, remember this tip and the other person will understand you the first time. Please like and subscribe for more English learning videos. This is David B. Thanks for listening.